Welcome to the Crypto Engine channel. I know about half hour ago I just made a video on Trump token, and I'll be live tonight talking about this even more. But at the end of the day, this looks horrible. This is an extremely bearish engulfing candle. And now your next support is 1827. I just said, if you lose this level, where are you going to go next? I mean, this thing does not have much price action below this level. And I'm trying to understand. Let me just make this full screen. I'm trying to understand, like, if this thing continues to break down, where are you really going to go on this asset? So, I mean, at this point, these are the price levels you have, but you can't go into the negatives, right? So, to me, there's just not there's not much data here of what can happen, but you're just going to new lows. And again, down here, you might have a small bounce at $17. If you lose $17, do you get some kind of bounce here around this level of 15? To me, this is extremely bearish. And again, I think it's still way overvalued right now. And actually, the market cap, I gotta be honest with you, I still think that the market cap is overvalued as well. I mean, obviously, if the token is overvalued, so would the market cap be. But the current market cap on the Trump asset, as I look it up right now, is still, you have to understand, yes, he's the president, and it's down 7% in this hour. Market cap is still $3.9 billion. To me, why is it worth anywhere near $1 billion? So yes, I'm holding this long term. I thought I was going to pump more. At this point, it's not worth selling, but I've already made money. My money I've lost by holding this long term by shorting it. So why sell it? I mean, if maybe in a year or so it'll go back up, or maybe even less. But right now this looks awful, and there's not a lot of support to the downside. So so if you lose 18. The next level you could maybe get bounced at would be 17. If you lose that level, I'd be looking for a bounce. I mean, you'd have to go to the really small time frames, but probably right here or around here at that $15 region. If you lose that level, you probably have a little more support at 14, but not much. I would say the next support below 15 is $12, and then below that, there's just nothing. So to me, those are the next levels to watch out for. I'll start putting lines to the downside here where I see possible supports being held, but this still looks pretty bearish here. So you can see on the first run up here, you had support here for about an hour or 45 minutes before you got the bounce. So to me, but that's not very long to have support. So to me, it's pretty bearish. So the next levels to watch out for is $18, $15, and about $12.50 on Trump token. I'm sorry, this looks really bad. I mean, I can't control it. I gave the short about yesterday, and it's just looking bad. So I'll be live tonight talking more about this. I think at some point you need some kind of dead cat bounce here. But on Trump token, it looks really bad, and I would not be long on this right now. You know, don't try to catch a falling knife. I'll just leave it at that. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post my next video or go live. And like I said, I'll be live tonight at 11 p.m. Central Time. If you guys want to join the Discord or trading group, link to join is in the description below. Until tonight, cheers and adios, and we'll see what happens. I have a feeling we're going to get some kind of dead cat bounce, but I would be surprised if you're above $18 when I go live here in about 8 hours.